Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Alrighty, what's going on Central New York? Man, it poured for a little while here across the Mohawk Valley. We're still not quite done just yet as we take a look live downtown right now on the iNet. You can see the roadways still damp from the wet weather that moved through earlier. We have another round on the way for later tonight. And yeah, maybe even a flash of lightning there overnight. Don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder. Temperatures, well, because of the rain, they've actually gotten down into the 50s. But if anything, they're going to rise a little bit because winds are pretty stout out of the south, and that will continue through the overnight. All right, so we still have rounds of downpours and storms falling across parts of northern Otsego County from Exeter, basically along and south of Route 20 towards Springfield, Roseboom, Cherry Valley, just north of Decatur right now. Some steadier rain moving through northern Otsego County here. Off to the west, another little downpour just moving into Paris, south down 8 towards Secoit. And some more off to the west. You can see coming into Syracuse right now, another downpour. And still some steadier rain across much of western New York State. So all of this has to kind of work its way on through as we go through the overnight. New York State had every season today, winter to summer. In the Adirondacks and northern New York up by the international border, we had ice and 32 degrees. In Wellsville, down right about there in the southern tier, it was 81 today. Still 61 right now in Syracuse, 59 Binghamton, 61 in Buffalo. So again, rounds of downpours and storms coming through out ahead of the cold front, which is where we've got this tremendous push of warmer air. You can see that represented by all the darker reds and oranges there. And you can see some cooler air filtering in to the northern Great Lakes. So where those two air masses meet, they kind of duke it out. That forces the air to rise, and the end result, showers and thunderstorms. And that's exactly what we're seeing here tonight. So a few more downpours will come through while you're sleeping. And there could be a lingering shower or two around through the day, but I think most of the time it's mainly dry, especially as we get into the afternoon. The sky should clear out too, and it will turn cooler later in the day. So kind of topsy-turvy temperature-wise because, well, it's going to start like upper 50s to near 60, and then numbers are going to drop by the evening. So here's the way it looks on the weather maps tomorrow. Some scattered showers. Keep in mind, upper 50s to near 60 in the morning, first half of the day. Those numbers will be dropping. It's 53 now. We'll fast forward to take a snapshot of the weekend. Still looks good. Still a bit cool, though. Saturday, maybe not quite as mild as I was thinking for Easter Sunday, but still a lot of sun, 56. And light wind speeds and sunny skies, that's perfect. And it's where we should be. So it does start to get warmer into next week. Look at that. 60s to low, dare I say even mid-70s. By mid-next week. Just get through a lingering shower tomorrow, some cooler weather, and then it's clear sailing right into next week.
Yeah, you can say 70, and I think you should keep saying it a little bit more.
I think I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's what we like. Keep it coming.
Alrighty.
Thanks, Craig. Yep. Sports is next. We'll be right back.